We're going to take a look at geofences. So what's a geofence? A geofence is a defined geographic area, and the idea is that when a transponder enters or leaves that defined geographic area, then you are notified. So there are a couple of things we need to do. The first thing is to create the geofence. So the way that we do that is we move the map to approximately where we want to create the geofence. So we're going to create one around Winchester, and then there's a green button in the top left of the screen, so we're going to press that green button, and now you can see we've added a geofence. Now that geofence may not be exactly where we want it, so how do we move it? Well, you tap on it once, and then you tap on it a second time, and when you tap on it the second time you leave your finger, and then what happens is that the button, you can then drag it to wherever you like. So we're going to drag it over Winchester, let it go, and now we've moved it to where we want it. So we tap on it again, then select the information call out, and what that does is it takes us to a pop-up menu which allows us to configure the geofence. So let's give it a name. So we're going to call it Winchester, and we save that. We're then going to change the radius, so we can make it bigger or smaller. So we're going to make it slightly bigger. We can then add transponders, so we can choose from the list of transponders that already exists. So we're going to choose Nick's iPhone 5. And then how we want to be notified when that transponder leaves or enters the geofence. So we can see we have push notifications. We can also say, also notify me by sending me an email. And you can add additional notifications using the settings menu. So if we save all that, the geofence now called Winchester, and it's all set. So now, whenever the transponder called Nick's iPhone enters or leaves that geofence, we will be sent a notification.